Good morning, friends. I am N.K. Mishra, Director, Abhiyan Academy, which is accredited by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance for providing the DRA training and other trainings and also certifications, etc. In addition, our Abhiyan Academy is accredited by CSE Academy for DRA training and also for enrollment of the DRA training candidates and also for the business correspondent trainings trainings for 42 hours and 28 hours. I have covered all this thing in the last three videos, and hope you people have seen it and gone through it. My second part of this video is regarding the examination of the business correspondent by the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. This examination name is Inclusive Banking through BC. In common word, you people say it as that I am going to enter in the examination of IIBF. Gentlemen, after completion of your training, you can enroll on the portal of the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance under the section BCBF. In the BCBF, you will get the complete detail of the course, system for registering for the examination, and all other details. It covers in 17 pages. You can go through the web www.iibf.org.in and go to the IIBF BCBF certificate exam for business correspondent, business facilitator, basic and advanced, rules and syllabus 2024. This content about in the 17-18 pages, but I will like to say you that the main main points are that within 9 months of the completion of the examination training, you must register for the examination, and in examination also you will get 3 attempts to clear the exam. Exam is taking place on the monthly intervals on the fixed date decided by the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance on the portal. The examination fees is 800 rupees plus 18% GST, that comes to 960 rupees. You have to enroll yourself either directly or through the CSE centers in your area, or you can send your documents, fee, etc. to the Abhiyan Academy, and Abhiyan Academy through the portal of the IIBF will enroll you for the examination. There are a lot of changes from the earlier exam and now. Now the passing mark is 50%, whereas in the earlier exams before the introduction of this new syllabus, it was 40%. Now again that the question of the recent points will topics will come, which covers the digital banking, your agriculture, and all other social schemes, which is provided in the syllabus also. The basic certification exam is in basic certification 50 questions has to be solved in 1 hour. In the advanced certification, 100 questions will be for 100 marks, and it must be solved within 2 hours. Means for each question you will get about 1 minute or 1 point something. So the sharpness must be there to attempt the exam. Moreover, whosoever is appearing for the exam, they must have some idea, practical idea through their nearby customer service points of any bank. This role of the BC is for the development of the banking, finance and social scheme in the rural area, for which more than 100 national level, state level corporate BCs are there. You are working through them, and they will identify your kiosks where you have to operate. Moreover, to get the opportunity, there are provision for appointment of the sub kiosk. Means when the main kiosk operator will not be there, then sub kiosk will support him by this way or that way. In that case, the development is taking place. Moreover, every year this review of the performance of the CSP are taking place. Means the CSP who are not performing well are being removed from the center, and new CSP are appointed. Means you are getting the full opportunity. Moreover, the commission rate on the various transactions has also increased. It is better to complete this certification as far as possible. From my academy, you will get all support, like enrollment for the training, enrollment for the examination, and also providing the